This little birth prep pack that I'm about to share can really alter, the way that you may or may not tear. It can alter the severity of it. It can alter just all around, what your pelvic floor goes through during childbirth, and that's the perineal massage. So you'll see that we have the perineal body right here. And this is what normally tears whenever a woman is having a baby. There's different grades of tear. Grade 1 is like barely any laceration. Grade 2 is a little bit more severe. Grade 3 is like pretty far down there. Grade 4 is there's complete rip, like complete rip. A lot of women have at least a grade 1 or grade 2, but we definitely see those grade 3s and grade 4s, and we want to avoid that if we can. Now, weeks before you have the baby, you want to do the perineal massage, and that's where you would stick your thumb inside and you would gently pull at the tissue. Just gently pull the tissue, getting your thumb down towards the rectum, moving your finger off to the side, going down, and you would hold each position for about a minute. So a minute's about like 5 deep, deep breaths. It could be pretty challenging whenever you have that big pregnant belly to get your body all the way under there. So you can always prop yourself up. I find that propping your foot up on like a toilet and then going like that was a little bit helpful. Or propping yourself up with a bunch of pillows behind you was also really, really helpful. The other thing that you can use is a pelvic floor wand, like so, and it's a lot easier to get your, positioning in. You can just hook it in. This won't go in there, but you would just hook it in and then gently stretch down. Hook it in, gently stretch down. Obviously, use clean hands, use lubrication. Always speak to your doctor to see if it's appropriate for you to do that. Always definitely speak to your pelvic floor PT if you can. Maybe go ask to see a pelvic floor PT, especially if there's a history of severe tearing in your family. But definitely a hack that you want to do before you have baby. Definitely a hack that you want to do before you have baby for the weeks leading up to it.